Meet the raccoon, the curious, clever, and slightly mischievous night explorer. Today, we're diving into the fascinating behaviors that make raccoons one of nature's most entertaining creatures. Raccoons are nocturnal, meaning their world comes alive at night. When most animals sleep, raccoons begin their nightly routine, sneaking, foraging, and investigating everything that catches their eye. One thing raccoons are famous for is their intelligence. They're problem solvers with incredible memory. Studies show they can remember solutions to puzzles for years. Raccoons also explore the world with their hands. Their front paws are highly sensitive, almost like superpowered fingertips. That's why they're always grabbing, poking, and playing with everything. These animals are omnivores, which means almost nothing is off the menu. Fruits, insects, fish, eggs, and yes, your trash can if you leave it outside. And that famous washing behavior? They aren't actually cleaning their food. Dipping food in water increases the sensitivity of their paws, helping them feel what they're about to eat. Raccoons adapt extremely well to cities. They can climb fences, squeeze through tight spaces, and even open simple locks. Your backyard shed or attic. They see that as five-star real estate. Raccoons are mostly solitary, but mothers are incredibly protective of their kits. Babies stay with their mom for almost a year, learning everything from climbing trees to finding food. They also use more than 200 vocal sounds, from chirps to growls, to communicate. You might see raccoons stand on their hind legs, freeze and stare when surprised, or twitch their tails when they're excited. Their curious personalities are a big reason they've become internet favorites. So the next time you spot a raccoon, remember, behind those masked eyes is a clever, curious animal just trying to understand the world. One nighttime adventure at a time.